So the house is nice and quiet, and I thought I would do this little word study from the living room this morning. My son's gone to work. He's finally over his sickness, thank God. That was like 3 weeks, I think he had that flu. And my wife, her migraine's gone, so she's gone back to work. It's just nice to have a quiet house. I like that. I'll be happy when this season is over fully, but until then, at least I can have a nice quiet morning, which is really helpful to my brain. And I'm not out there on the roads this morning, which is good. The roads are still bad. It's just, you get a little bit of a meltdown, and then you get more snow, and then a little bit of a meltdown. It just repeated over and over and over. I mean, it's warm out. I think the temperature is like +4 or something Celsius, which is good. At least it's not -20, but that's coming in the next week or so here. We're going to get -20s, be like -30. It's normal in Alberta, and it just changes, fluctuates like that all year, all winter. No wonder people get sick a lot. But anyway, I'm going to do this word today, expedient. I don't think I did it yet. There's the Greek right there. It's pretty long to pronounce. But English elements, together, carry. Together, carry. Concordance scripture. 1 Corinthians 6:12. Now, there's a couple of passages of scripture here that are similar, but there's a difference on the ending. This one here, it's all is allowed me, but not all is expedient. All is allowed me, but I will not be put under its authority by anything. And 1 Corinthians 10:23. All is allowed me, but not all is expedient. All is allowed me, but not all is edifying. And these two passages here are very similar. 2 Corinthians 8:10. And in this I am giving an opinion, for this is expedient for you, who for a year past undertake before, not only the doing, but the willing also. 2 Corinthians 12:1. If boasting must be, though it is not expedient, indeed, yet I shall also be coming to apparitions and revelations of the Lord. And the last one here, it's not many scripture, 1 Corinthians 12:7. Now to each one is being given the manifestation of the Spirit with a view to expedience.